So guys, we are in Dollar Tree and I am looking for some containers. Let's go all the way to the back. Trying to see. So they have the actually that size would probably be good. So let me see, let me figure out what size I'm gonna get and I'll be back. So I'm gonna get this size right here. And this one says the dry erase, but I have a project that I'm going to be doing with that one. So check out this welcome sign.
Mommy, can I get some candy?
Should be up. So check out the welcome sign, guys. The welcome one and the home one. Isn't that cute?
Mama.
So we are going to get one of each. There was too much going on in Dollar Tree. So I filmed that little bit and that was it. I'll show you guys my haul in a minute. Oh, lady, what you doing? That's when you don't know how to drive. Yeah, so we're about to go into Walmart and do some shopping. Gotta get some groceries. And then I'll see you guys soon. Bye. we're back from the Dollar Tree and from Walmart. So we're gonna jump right into this haul that we got from the Dollar Tree. All right, so first off, let me make sure I'm seeing this right. I purchased 2 of the Colgate Optic White toothpastes. These are 2 ounces. This is my favorite toothpaste. So when I saw those in there, I was like, gotta get them. The next thing I purchased was a timer for the salon. It's an electronic timer. I like these because they're red. I also saw there was a blue one and a black one in there. But I like to have my things organized, so I just grabbed the red one. Alright, so the next thing I purchased was this Reach mouthwash. I'm going to put that in my daughter's bathroom. This is the 400 milliliters, 13.5 ounces. I had never seen Reach in the Dollar Tree before. Some Epsom salt for the bathroom. My husband likes to take baths when he works out a lot, and he soaks in that. The Care Bear mouthwash for the boys. I'm going to put this in their little refillable mouthwash container. I purchased one of these to go in my garden. This matches my my DIY patio that I did. I'll link that video below to show you guys the I DIY my own deck. Some bags, and this is the vanilla scent bags, and there's 22 in there. I always get these when I go to Dollar Tree, the Tylenol Go Packs. Some mints to put in the salon, and this is half an ounce, 0.5 ounce bag. What else is from the Dollar Tree? So I love these towels. I use these at the salon. So yeah, they are super soft and super absorbent. So I use these at the salon. So I drive my customers with these because they are soft and I love them. I picked up 2 of them. Every time I'm in the salon, at the Dollar Tree, I'll pick 1 or 2 of them up. I purchased the hefty plates, the 20 count hefty plates. A back scratcher, back washer, bath brush, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I purchased this also from the Dollar Tree. Oh, that's the other towel. I also got some of the flavored Nestle water. This is the wild berry. It has 0 calories, 0 sugars. So this is a 6-pack, and it's 9 full ounces. Purchased that. I also purchased 2 of the Dharma body washes, and this is 15 full ounces. I picked up a little bleach, a pint. I also picked up the microfiber cleaning towels. This is to wipe down my car For those days when I just got it washed and it wants to rain and it's not really dirty, but you can still wipe the spots off. I picked up those. I picked up 4 of these dry erase containers, and I'm going to do a video with these, an organization video. I also picked up the Softy Clean and Clear Gel and the Pro Style Gel. You guys, if you've been with me for a while, you know this is my love. I love this gel. Oh, and I picked up the home rug and the one that says welcome. So I purchased both of these from the Dollar Tree. That's cute. And what I'll do is I'll probably put some hot glue on the back of them, so they don't fall. I mean, they don't slip. So that is it for my Dollar Tree haul. And now we're going to get into the Walmart portion. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is the 48 count cutlery pack. Picked up some of those from Walmart. The 30 foam bowls. This was 97 cents at Walmart. I always grab those. Some Essentia ionized water. And this has a pH of 9.5. Picked up that. Some of the vanilla chai protein drink. Love these. We needed some ketchup, the Hunt's ketchup. The Tide Pods. The Farm Rich chicken. Oh, it's Fiesta chicken roll-ups. I haven't tried it before, but it says roasted chipotle chicken. So I'm excited to try these. I actually have the oven on right now. Getting hot. Some Snuggle fabric softener. This is my all-time favorite. I picked up some sweet tea. It's only 150 calories. So maybe that won't hurt my diet too bad. Some of the Great Value milk. Half a gallon. Some Lay's barbecue potato chips. Today is Labor Day. So, I am fixing some hot dogs for the kiddos because I don't eat that crap. We have some Doritos. Yeah, guys, and the reason why I don't eat hot dogs is because I watched that hot dog video and I haven't touched a hot dog since. But I did look at the ingredients. So I did look at the ingredients in these, the ones that I purchased for the kids today. And I bought these because they don't have there's no byproducts, no artificial flavors or colors, no gluten, no corn syrup, and the ingredients. There's not all those other ingredients in these. And if you look at the other hot dogs, it says the first thing it says is mechanically something, and I was like, oh no, that reminded me of that video. So I tried to purchase the best ones for the kids. They're a little expensive, but it's okay. So we have the hot dogs boiling. Well, I just turned those off. And then I got some Frosted Flakes, which is my favorite cereal. But the kids love them also. I purchased some buns, hot dog buns. And we needed some bread. Also, I picked me up some pistachios for a healthy snack. Ooh-wee. Those are 380 calories per container. I'm gonna have to watch those. That's a lot of calories. So guys, that is my haul from Dollar Tree and Walmart. That's everything that I got today. So guys, oh, one more thing I forgot. So the guys wanted some juice boxes. So I purchased some of the Capri Sun, strawberry kiwi. After we put them in the refrigerator, they get cool. So yeah, we purchased the kiwi, strawberry, Capri Suns. So guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for all of my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. To all my old subscribers that's been hanging in there with me, thank you for being a part of the channel. Don't forget, guys, to like and subscribe this video. Like and subscribe to this video. And if you have any ideas of any videos you want to see me do, please let me know. I like DIYs. I like shop with me's. I like doing hauls. I love decorating. So let me know, guys. If you have a comment, please leave it in the subscription and the details below. And I will add the DIY patio at the bottom, so you guys can check that one out. So guys, stay tuned to the next video. Have a blessed day. Until I see you again. Peace.